Let's see how to show or hide the remove paragraph symbol in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to be able to see all of the hidden symbols in our document. And we can do that by showing the paragraph symbol. Now, to do that, we can simply click on this icon right here under the paragraph section, or you can also click on Control and asterisk on your keyboard. And when you click that, you should be able to see all parts of your paragraph. So for example, we'll see that it has a symbol right here at the end of this sentence, indicating that we click enter to go on to the next line. And the same thing happens here and here. And you'll also be able to see other hidden formatting in your document, such as section breaks right there, as well as page breaks. And that is how you can show or hide remove paragraph symbol in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.